Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the updates for BTC with my custom set, and I have some good news. So first moment, what you have to know, today I got the notification. So we added on a BTC USD trading pair in January, so the months ago, weekly time frame take profit signal. So we need to close all short position. This signal triggered today, and the main question is, are this signal will be confirmed by end of the week or not? So that's a question. Also, I would like to share you the global support block now for BTC is here. So it's 62,110. It's test above on the monthly time frame. This is a chart on Bitstamp, just above for exit line. It's a bubble, you know, if the BTC is a bubble, right? We can drop even to the monthly buy line. Now it's 27,690. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 30K, but it's possible, just in theory. So the first main level, and of course, even nobody want to believe in it, right? Even I'm. We can drop even to 62K and 100, for example. It's kind of weird, you know, how the BTC just dump it here, the 50K, 56K, just without any reason, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row red, without any reason, right? Why? While the gold hit the new all-time high, S&P 500 hit the new all-time high, and silver pump like crazy. Everything's skyrocketed, but BTC is not. Maybe just a real bubble. Of course, I don't want to spread the thought. No, but I'm not a BTC maxi. I don't care about a BTC. It's kind of just interesting to check now the sentiment around the crypto. So just a few months ago, everybody screaming that we're going to the moon, right? So because the BTC, you remember that influencer who shield you all the time, 250K. 300, 1 million, 500K, 1 million and 5. Katie Wood said this. I don't know. Tom Lee said this. Robert Kiyosaki said this. And we once again landed to some zone of support. And none of that craziest prediction is real. Also, weekly time frame. This one is a buy line. Now it's 60K, 382. So, of course, for me personally, would be much better if we dump now. So we're going to save the time. So this is going to be the best option if we dump now and rebound to the take profit line 120. All lines are dynamic, guys. So, of course, it's hard to believe. So from now, we can drop another 10K, but basically for BTC, it's only 14%. We already dumped it. Like approximately like 44. So if we drop here, it's going to be 52. I already explained it, so I don't think so. The cycles will repeat again with the 75% drops. So this was like 77, and now it's now it's 45. And if we drop to the buy line, it's going to be 51. So every new cycle, you know, not a cycle, I hate this even word. Every new, you know, like price action for the BTC will build with not 75 drops again. And the same story, we will not pump 300 or 700 again. All right, so we build a structure now. Technically, of course, we're still in the uptrend structure. We always in an uptrend structure. Technically, we already also broke the trend line. So we can draw the millions trend lines. First one is here, for example. This is a trend line. So in this case, we can drop to 53. All right. We can build another trend line. This one, for example. So this trend line already cooked. All right. What's another trend line we can draw? We can draw the trend line like this one. Maybe this is a trend line. That's why, guys, trend line, it works only in theory until they're not. That's why I'm not focused on the trend lines. So now I focus only on buy line. So let's add alert to the buy line. Even if we won't believe in this line, one day we're going to touch it. Right. Let's take a look. Here's a trade on. Unfortunately, guys, this signal is not confirmed yet. So it's kind of weird. Come on. Oh, I can't open. Yes, but it's on a beat stop. Yes. So it's not confirmed. So it's triggered, but not confirmed. It's kind of bad. It's good and the bad same time. So it's showing us soon we will see the confirmation to close our short position. Last time, the signal was here. So that signal, which blinking now, is happening here in June 2022. After that, of course, we consolidate and the flash crash with FTX happened. I don't think so. Of course, now the FTX, a similar something to FTX collapse happened. But it's possible with a MicroStrategy. About a MicroStrategy, I also explained my idea. One day, the seller will be cooked. All right, so we can trade on close. Now, here's a local buy signal. So daily time frame, we already saw the signal to take profit, buy, recommendation close position. Now drop, another buy. Buy line on the daily is 60K. So, you know, everything around the 60K now. Daily buy line 60K 200. Weekly test the buy line, test above the exit line on the monthly. So everything looks like we have to go straight forward to the that line. And also here's the EMA. Also here's this one. We're gonna retest 200 EMA. Now it's 68. And remember this target because it's important. 68 314. So this is it. And take a look. 338.14. And take a look. Then 68 285. So it's 27 block. So here I posted we should drop to this block. The most positive case scenario for BTC can be if we just stop at 68 285, 200 EMA test on the weekly and bounce without a test of the buy line. This is going to be the positive, maximum positive scenario for the BTC. Something like this one, we can retest, for example, 103, 108K. It's more than real to see. And at that point, we need to take a look the time, the seasonality. So if we bounce like this one, it's going to be, and not go higher, it's going to be the confirmation of the bearish structure. And we going down again with something like this. So this is it, guys. A bullish case if we rebound to a 103, 108. Bearish, this one. Middle is hold the line at 68, 285. My personal opinion is much better if we crash it down now straight forward to the 60K and start consolidating, go higher. Maybe start new rally. So this is it, guys. All other indicators you can double check by yourself. I would like to double check only the money inflow. For me, it's really important. So weekly time frame, yes. Like this week, the money in the BTC. Last time it's happened here in November. That time we rebound from 80K to 97. So it's hard to say, are we rebound or not? And take a look at the structure. So if we break the structure, local one, so this is a boss, impulse correction, impulse bounce, rejection. Yes, we cooked and we go straight forward to the 40K. So guys, now all eyes on 200 EMA, first one, and on buy line on weekly. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a BTC. Will we hold the line at 68K or we drop it down to 60 from now? If you'd like to trade with my customer side and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.